my boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar and to Wish Week. Alright, we are moving this train forward with the wishes. I get them from you from everywhere, and this time we have you hugs for J. Nathan. You asked for a song, Dead Broke Anna. That's what we're gonna look into right now. Before we move on with this tutorial, I turn to you, Jay. I guess that could be your name. If you want to thank me for this tutorial, this work I'm putting down, then you go and visit my new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here somewhere. It's new. I need your help, and everybody who's watching, we need to grow this channel. It's kind of a new baby, and we need your help, okay? So go and subscribe to that channel. That's the best way you can thank me. And of course, if you want to leave a like on this one, I'm not gonna stop you guys. So thank you for your support. Now let's move on with Anna. We have no need for any capo here. We have 3 chords that goes in the same order. We're gonna look into the strumming and a couple extra details there, notes here and there. Let's start with the chords. Okay, so B minor 7. That's the first one. It's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret, 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. Next chord is the E minor, add 9. The add 9 comes in the bottom there, so you're gonna start with open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and the added 9 is 2nd E. And then finally we have the G major 7 sus2, and that goes 3rd E. Then you can go with open A or muted. You can lean that finger, you're using normally the mid finger, you can lean it on top of the A string so it gets muted. Okay, and then you continue with open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And that's the order of it: B minor to E minor to G major. Alright, now let's look into the strumming. We have a 2-part strumming here. So if you grab the first chord, B minor 7, you're gonna start with part 1, down, down, up. And I like to play the bass string first on the first down, and then the down up on the higher strings down here. That's part 1. Then part 2 goes down, up, down, up. And the first down up is on the bass string, and the next down up is on the top strings down here. That's part 2. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, up, down, up. That is 1 full round. Okay, so if you want to play just this strumming, you're gonna play 2 string rounds, 2 full of the B minor, and then 2 full string rounds of the E minor, and 4 of the G major. So it goes like this. And that is basically the song. You're gonna play that from the beginning till the very end. If you want to have some extra details to it, get up a level or so, you can add some notes to each and every chord. Okay, so what you're gonna do there is to, first and foremost, the timing. When do we play these 4 notes? It's gonna be 4 notes for each and every chord. You're gonna play it in part 2, in the 2nd round of every chord. So you're gonna play B minor, 1 full round plus part 1, and then instead of playing part 2 in the 2nd round, because that's a total 2 rounds, you're gonna replace that with the notes. And the following notes there for B minor is, okay, and you hold that with the actual chord. So you're gonna play 3rd fret B string, 2nd G, 2nd high E, and 3rd B. So replace that 2nd part of strumming, and you're gonna play these 4 notes instead. And that is logic because we have 4 actions in the 2nd part of strumming, down, up, that will be replaced with 4 notes, okay? So you're gonna play like this slowly. Okay, then you're gonna go into E minor part, and you're gonna play the same there, strumming, and the last part 2 you're gonna replace with these notes. So So that is just a roll from down and up. So 2nd fret high E, open B, open G, and 2nd D. So slowly. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the final chord, it's the G major. And you're gonna play now, since this is 4 string rounds in total, you're gonna play 3 full string rounds plus part 1 and then part 2 in the end there. In the 4th round, you're gonna play, instead of strumming, this. So that will be open B string, open G, 3rd B, and open B. So imagine we play strumming around number 3 and 4, the last 2, it goes like this. Yeah, perhaps I slipped a little bit there. I think you understand. And that is how you can level up. I need some more practice, I can see that. But still, hugs for J. Nathan. All hugs to you guys, or you, whoever you are. Thank you for being here on this channel. And thank you for visiting my new channel. I need your support. So, thank you so much. Hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.